That you need to follow during a whale shark interaction. We are implementing these rules for your safety and the protection of the whale sharks as well. First and the most important rule is you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks. Second, no flash photography. Third, in swimming, please observe 4 meters distance away from the whale sharks. And if the whale sharks are getting closer to you, please don't panic. Just give them way and let them pass. They are harmless, and please don't chase them. And lastly, you're not allowed to apply sunblock, sunscreen, or any kind of skin protection because these products contain chemicals that can harm the whale shark. But if you apply it already, kindly rinse it off down there at the shower area before boarding the boat. Please obey the rules to avoid penalty. We have some sea wardens monitoring the whole operation. And additional reminders, from here down to the interaction area, wearing of life vest is mandatory. But upon reaching there, if you're good swimmers and can swim deeper, you can take off your life vest and leave it on the boat. And from the boat down to the water, please enter slowly. For those who will swim, please remove your jewelries or any fashion accessories with you because they may accidentally fall and we are not liable for that. For taking pictures underwater, mobile phones are not recommendable to use. And please don't leave your things unattended. Swimming gear is provided, so please take good care of it. Don't lose it or damage it because you will pay for it. So we provide swimming masks on the boat, just bar from the boatman. And the tube is in the life vest area, just grab one in the basket. So always remember, you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks. No flash photography. Observe 4 meters distance away from the whale sharks and 5 meters for the flippers. And no sunblock sunscreen. Always remember, you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks. Thank you so much for listening. So you may now proceed downstairs at the waiting area or you can follow your respective guides. Thank you and have fun.